If you want to hide comments on Facebook from friends, follow these simple steps. Open your Facebook account and locate the specific photo or post where you want to hide comments. Click on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right or top right if you're an old computer to access the menu. Select your profile by clicking on your name. Once on your profile, choose the photo or post you want to hide comments on. Click on the three dots at the top right of the post and select Edit Privacy. Ensure that the privacy settings is set to public. This is crucial as comments cannot be hidden if the post is set to friends or any other privacy level. After selecting public, a new option will appear. Click on Who can comment on this post. Choose profile and pics you meant on it. Once selected, comments will be hidden and nobody will be able to comment on your Facebook post. That is it. You've successfully hidden comments on your Facebook post from friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.